And to everyone, thank you so much for attending the Project SINAG Colloquium 2023. Kindly ensure that you fill out our evaluation form for your certificates. The evaluation link will remain open only until 5 p.m. today.
And for today's presenters, expect your certificates in your inboxes within the next few days. So just take note on, for those of you, once again, kindly take note of the evaluation form. That's at bit.ly/PSC 2023 eval. Have a great day, everyone, at maraming salamat po. We'll be closing this Zoom by 11:30. Once again, thank you so much, and we hope to see you around. Stay safe and enjoy the long weekend, everyone.